Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. In this tutorial, you will see how we can download GTA Vice City on laptop or PC. This is very easy, so make sure to watch the video until the end. First, open your desktop and launch Google. Search for Rockstar Games. When you find the official website, open it. After opening the website, search for GTA. Here, you will see all the available games. This is our first source. Next, move on to the second source. Open a new tab and search for Steam. Open the Steam website and log in. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. After signing in, search for GTA. You will find the official game. Open it and type your date of birth and click on View Page. Now scroll down until you find the Premium Edition. To download, click on Add to Cart and then proceed to purchase for myself. That's how you can download GTA Vice City on laptop or PC. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.